Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to install Roblox Studio on an Android device. Or if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, you actually have three ways to at least install the app using your mobile device, okay? So you have a remote desktop using cloud PCs, and the third one is browser-based method. And also, I would like for you to know that there is no official way, or Roblox Studio is not natively supported on Android. Also, for iPhone. Now, there are some videos online that will teach you to use or convert a DMG file into an APK. All right. Well, unfortunately, those methods are often unreliable. So in this video, I'm just going to show you the browser-based method. Now, if you want me to create a remote desktop option, like using the Chrome remote desktop or even AnyDesk, okay, to control your computer from your phone. So just gotta leave a comment below and I'll certainly make a video for you. Okay, so again, open up a browser, then log into your Roblox account. Now, once you're in this section, just tap on continue in browser. Do not continue in app, okay? Log in with your account and again, continue in browser. Now, once you're in here, tap on create. And once you're in this section, create.roblox.com, I'll go ahead and tap on three dots and then just tap on add to home screen. Leave the title as is and hit on add. Okay, as you can see here we have the Roblox Creator Hub. If you want to, you can go ahead and move it wherever you want, just like so, and then just tap on it to open it up. All right, that's just basically the way to install Roblox Studio on Android. And again, the only option to access Roblox Studio, as it is just only for PC, is to install or use remote desktop. All right. But that's it for now. That is how you install Roblox Studio on Android. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.